little kitty. Whoop, whoop. Biscuit wants to play with the kittens. What is he bringing to play with the kittens? A stick. That's right. He thinks they might want to play with a stick. Do you think they're going to want to play?
Yes.
Oh, is that Daisy? She's the mama cat, right?
Yeah. Daisy is the mama cat?
Mm-hmm. And these are her two kittens.
Mama cat.
Mama cat, that's right. The kittens want to play with a leaf.